What is up? What is up, people? We are live again. It's day 15. Today we have the new good news. That's GPT 5.2 Codex has been launched. We have updated it. And if you guys want to see it, let me just take you people to the thing. Let me show you. Sam Altman has already, if you go to his page, he is saying that they have already launched. Codex is just getting the rapid growth, and there he goes, 54 minutes, and GPT 5.2 Codex has been launched, and we have it. So let's go. Let's get into it. Let's see how it performs. Let's open it. How are you guys doing? Let me know. Let me know. Anybody who's new, we are vibe coding an app until we're gonna make the $1 million. And the thing that I'm working on is a sales creator. We're gonna change its name now, but yes, this is the sales creator. Sales creator is basically an agentic AI team where people gonna have their own different agents who's gonna work as their team, and we gonna make this thing huge, like any company, any vertical. But for now we are just looking out for two different verticals, as in two different fields of people, as in companies, SaaS models and marketing agencies. We're gonna help them out. It's gonna be like a scout named person will go for, like an agent will go for lead finding. Alex will work on outbound calls. Basically, this outbound calls won't be just a simple outbound calls, or anything else you see in this whole thing is not going to be the outbound or some simple strategic thing. No, it has the brain. We have built the whole brain, so the brain will make every other thing happen. That's the best part. Okay, so we're gonna make it like that, and we have the brain ready. So we're gonna use it. Let me just post this thing down that we are live, so people can start joining us. And let me just put this down into one of the communities that I have joined recently, and they are doing just crazy stuff. So, am I gonna post? I'll have to post it from here only, I believe. Build in public, don't share it here. I'm building live, live coding an app until I make. And let's get a picture of it so that people can know what are we working on. Perfect. So let's start with the thing. Let's close this thing out. Okay, now it says what all things we have right now. So this is gonna be the scout who's gonna go through leads. There is another one that's Alex who's gonna use the voice. It's gonna make calls. Noah will write the mails, and we have one more agent that's gonna send SMS using his own brain. So we have so many different agents. Let me show what all agents do we have. Let me just log in. And I was doing a bit of research in SEO, like for SEO and everything. So I just went out through all these things, and I have finalized the name of the platform and everything. So yes, we are good with it, and I believe we should move ahead for other stuff. Let's see, this login happens when it happens. This one says We are already on the API and we are already on all the things. See, okay, and we are inside. Okay, let's get our codex out. Let's start fighting. See, it says Codex 5.2 medium. Cool. Let's give it the full approval. Let's see medium. Like, what can medium thing do, right? Um, so for now, we don't have this connection status on. We don't have this deploy agent working. Nothing is working down there. See, it says rendering and compiling. Let's see what both of the things do. We gave the command for it yesterday, but it didn't work out. Let's see if it's working or not. It says rendering. None of the things open anything, right? So we have to make both of them work. Let's get into the shit. I want you to look into the connection status button and deploy agent button, what things they both are going to do. Just go through the documentation and make sure both of the things are working because we already had finalized what they are going to work on. So please go into the thing and check how is it going to work and what they should do, and make sure to connect it with a perfect backend services, and it should have the correct endpoints connected. Make sure to go through each and everything and do not leave any gaps aside. Let's see. The first command that goes for dashboard, let's keep the agent on side. And looks like my camera flickered or what? It's not flickering right now though. Let's move ahead and get our another agent out there. Codex and get me the new agent. Let's see what are we going to work over. Okay, so this all are the agents that are going to work on our whole thing. Um, Definitely, if you are following me, then you would be sure that for designing and for all the design and UI components, we are using Gemini 3 Pro. And for the whole backend, we are using most of the time Codex. So let's get into the thing. Let's find what all things are not working right now so that we can be sure about it and we can give it all the tasks. So for agents, I'm using Max. The voice name is Max, but it still shows me Adrian. So let's ask Codex. Maybe for that, it will need the high model. I want you to look into the agents page, and looks like I did set the agent voice to max, but I don't know why it just falls back to Adrian. So I did set it in the retail as well as I tried to configure it here also, but as soon as I refresh the page or just log in and log out, like log out and log in, it changes to Adrian again. So please have a look into it. Check that is it connected to the perfect endpoints or not. And if it's not connected to the perfect endpoints, then make sure it gets connected to there. And if you think that anything else should be done, then please let me know. If you have any improvement tips, then to let me know. Perfect. This is working on agents page. Agents, we good. Okay, crazy. Okay, we need one more agents. Like we're gonna work on six different agents. Let's see calls page. This looks good to me. This looks good. AI optimized timing, right? How does it set the AI optimized timing? Does it work or not? Please check and get into this AI optimized timing on the calls page. What does it do, and is it perfectly connected to all the endpoints and all the backend services or not? And if not, then make a comprehensive plan to make it work perfectly so that we don't miss out on anything. And make sure if it is implemented partially, then too you make the plan so that we can work on it perfectly. Crazy. It's on call page. Let's see how all three of those are working. Okay, this has some response for us. Let me just open it. Let's just get done with this three of the agents and then we'll start working with new more agents. What it said is found the dashboard connection button and integration button. Integration page verified the deployed agent. Flow is wired to all or not. Okay. I didn't run app locally. Open dashboard, click connection status, verify it lens. Looks like it worked on it, but it has already, yeah, it has worked on it and looks like it has checked the whole part. Let's see if the connection button works or not. Let me go to dashboard. Hey, we have got a new viewer. How you doing, man? How you doing? Where are you from? Perfect. Connection status has now started working. We have cal.com, Google Calendar, Salesforce, and HubSpot. Crazy. We have this one working now. Let's see, deploy agent should also work. So I think we gonna be good once it starts working. Yes, lovely. We have this thing just to work on this. Let's make sure once it's done we're gonna deploy it for calling. Okay, we have the companies page. We had opportunities page too. I'm not sure where did it go. Let me make somebody get on it. It's working perfect. I just want you to go through the dashboard, like whole dashboard, and check if any other features, any other things is not connected to the backend services or the endpoints, or anything needs improvement, then let me know and make the comprehensive plan to make all those things work. Perfect. We are on knowledge page. I guess companies page also needs some kind of help. Companies page is still not working. We have issues over there. Perfect. We have this issue. Just get it up and give it to an agent so that it checks on it and it works on it. Perfect. All those issues don't need a huge model to get worked over. So we'll go for medium. Give the error. With that, give the console error too so that it gets through it. And let's see what all errors are. Chrome and extension is not the thing. This HMR connected, rebuilding. Tries to rebuild it once or twice and then it gives the error, right? So like we need to just take this error up, this forbidden thing. Please have a look at it. This is error handler, and the page it is right now working is companies. Keep it on bottom. Let's go out of it. Close this one and this one. This has done its work. Let's go. Reviewed calls page. Schedule UI. The related backend service is the AI optimized timing. Toggle is persistent, but it doesn't currently affect call timing anywhere, so it's not fully connected. What it does today is just the UI toggle and backend AI timing logic where it's not connected. Use AI timing is never used to pick call times, only passes it to call switching. Okay. Define the source of truth, pick one config model. My God, it's working. It's working. That's nice. Just need to move. Centralized timing decisions, building a single timing policy function. The plan sounds good to me, but I want you to work more on this. And it can even check out the leads and it can see that what time zone the lead is in, and then it can make the calls. Like it should be connected with mini CRM so that we go in the perfect way. Maybe they are in EST, Eastern time zone, and the company is in Pacific time zone. Then even it's 8 a.m. in the Pacific time zone, it will be 11 a.m. in the Eastern time zone. So yes, call should happen. So even if the company, as in the company of like the client of ours, may not have been like gotten into the work, but still we should start the calling if they have clicked on AI optimized timing. So there should be this kind of stuff out there, and AI should be able to make the decisions out there. So please go deep into it, and then we'll make sure how the thing should work. Make a bit more comprehensive plan and then start working over it. Make sure to edit in the plans.md so you don't miss out of any of the pointers that you choose to work on. And once worked over a pointer, just make sure to mark it inside plans.md or just remove it from there so that you don't miss out or you don't rework or overwrite something else. Perfect. Just needs an approval. This is Here's what I found after tracing every dashboard widget, deep link backend. Dashboard widget have tutorial endpoints, perfect metrics card to da 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 da. Comprehensive plan. Okay, wait. It says live activity supports email sends and deal flows, etc. But API dashboard live activity currently only emit call-based events. So those types will never appear unless backend expands the feed. That's true, loading leads, connecting, etc. If you want, I can fix all this and make sure every deep link summary action results in a real filtered view. Go ahead and start working on it. Make sure to make a comprehensive plan and add the plan into plans.md so that you don't miss out on any of the pointers that you have thought about and you are going to work on. Make sure to mark all the pointers which are worked over so that you don't get confused, and go ahead and make sure to have a multi-level plan so that you don't stop and you don't just get confused again. Let's stop this. Let's give it the full approval. Give it a continue. And it'll keep on working now. Perfect. All of these are working now. We'll go ahead and check our thing credits. Credits are still needed to be worked over. Trigger email, SMS if confirmed on call. Yes, we need to think about this. We already had made a webhook for retail so that if it confirms on the call that yes, I'm going to send you an SMS or an email or something like that. So we are going to trigger the webhook that will trigger whatever type of email we are going to send. So we already have made the processes for it. If you can check into the repository and just let me know that how to create the webhook and where I should go and make the webhook to make it work. And once it's ready, how are we going to put it in our environment variables or wherever it is, and how are we going to link it in Vercel also? So just go through it and let me know the whole plan. Perfect. Mm, sounds good to me. See all these webhooks, definitely we need to work over. This one says updated superbase embedded embeds to this ambiguate the team members, user relationship members. Okay. Restart. Okay. Why to restart? Let's refresh. I hope so. The refresh should work. But yeah, let's see. For any of the new users who have joined, today is the critical day for our thing, Sales Creator. Basically, we're gonna change the name as well as we're gonna check all the functionalities. Do we have it working or not? And we are using Codex 5.2. So like it's just crazy. You guys can look at it. It's just going amazing. Like we have five of the agents working, and I'm gonna make one more agent work. So it'll be six agents, and we're gonna use GPT. I'm sorry. We're gonna use Gemini 3 Pro for designing a bit of it. So let's see. It is still not working. So I believe now we need to just restart this. Looks like we'll have to remove the data. Go ahead. Localhost 3000. I believe it would have started now. Yes, 3000 has not yet started. I don't know why this thing happens. Like first it will start it on 3001 and then it'll start on 3000. Just goes like this every time. Yes, perfect. So we are on the spot. We are on the go. And let's make the thing happen. Okay, we have three of the agents who have completed their work. Let's go through it. First one is agents. Um, Align the agent's voice with the same persisted 13 minutes of work and looks like how much did it use? Let's see. Let's keep on testing how much does it use and how much context it uses. Wow, it's like 77% of the weekly limit is still remaining with me after using all three of those. So like it's good. It's not bad. It's not bad. I guess I had 80% yesterday, so it's like 3% of it is used. Still, I'm not sure because this both have not completed yet, so it's the counting might not be done yet. Let's see over here. This one, what does this say? Yep, it says 77%. So that's good then. That's good, I believe. This is not expensive. Okay. After added a shared retail voice endpoint sanitized voice setting before applying. Let's see how and what those things are doing. Till then, this is Codex, right? No. Let's open Codex. Let's go to its settings and usage. It says 77%. That's amazing. That's crazy. Let's go back to the board. Now it says verify connection, recheck. It's not working. We have some errors in here. What is the error? Please show me. Okay, it's working now. It's working. It says Clio. Why the heck would it say Clio? Configure. This is gonna eat a lot of my context, but it's okay. I have to make it look at the errors. Like it's not able to load this. Okay, that's why the present thing is like that. And then we're gonna make it work on this one, the voice preset one, because that's our part where this thing is lagging out. Okay. Now this says here's how the webhook wiring works in this repo exact plan to make it work, to make it live. But the webhook already live. Main retail call events webhook. Okay. Decide your API based URL. Perfect. Your custom domain in retail. Set the call events webhook. This one. This will handle call started, call ended, call analyzed. Okay. Trigger post call processing. Perfect. We're gonna have to configure the tools. Perfect. Universal project environment variables. We're gonna add these things. We already have all those. Feature flags and perfect. Looks good to me. This one is not so expensive for us right now. So, hey, new people. We are today working on sales creator, our own sales agentic sales AI team. So basically, this is an autonomous team that can work for any of the companies, and we are working to make it super work like next thing. So right now, five of the agents are deployed. Four of them have already completed the work. Okay, let's go to companies page as soon as we have completed on it. So let's check. Where are you from? Where are you guys from? Perfect. It says one contact, open task. Now I guess it has started loading up. So that's great. But the company's page is not still opening up. Let's see what's the error. Let's just refresh it. Okay, they're just saying that wired dashboard deep links changed by area. Next steps, if you want multi-channel live activity, I can extend. Go ahead and do it and make sure you do not make errors and follow the instruction perfectly. And if you are not able to do something, please let me know. And if you want some more information on something, do ask me questions so that we can work on it together. Oh my God. Give the instruction in the wrong window. Looks good now. Perfect. There it go. Uh, Names like Grace can repeat across providers. Okay. Also fixed calls live. Okay, okay, okay. Refresh agents page. Retry calls page. Okay. Let's go. It says agents page should work now. It's still at the Adrian thing. Okay. Last time. Last time. Let me find Max. Um, there is this Max, but he is not from 11 Labs. Cartesia. Apply persona. It should work now. Okay, there is an issue. Apply persona is not at all working, so we'll give it to agents. Let's see how they resolve it. Perfect. Looks good to me. What all other agents are doing? Got it. To avoid mistakes, I need clarification with next steps. Should I implement right now? I guess both one and two. Both wanted it just. Open DevTools, hard refresh, confirm the duplicate key warnings are gone. If remains space, new warnings. Okay, let's do it. Let's check just any other name. Let's try it. Okay, it says persona has been applied. Did it change it in here? Yes, it got changed. How about I just go out? How is it working right now? Like if I change, like if I configure it to new agent, if I just change the voice, then it gets changed in here and also in the retail. But once I just log in, once I just sign out and then I sign in, after that, it keeps the edited agent that I made, but it also generates a new agent named Adrian. So it looks like it has been it has taken the Adrian agent as default. So please check, do we have seeded it or something like that issue is there, or what's the issue? Why is it taking in the same Adrian again and again? Still, that thing is not created in here, but it just gets added in there. And that problem is just happening inside our platform, like the new agent that it is making is not getting added to retail. So it's like something being seeded into our platform. That's why this thing is happening. So please go and check inside it and let me know what all things are there. If you need, you can check the whole page. Perfect. The says companies page should have been working now. It it started working and then it got into the errors. Did you see that? Looks like we have to change the model now. Keep it on extra high. Bro, resolve it. Go ahead and follow both the steps and then let me know if anything else is remaining. And the sixth agent, okay, let's make the fifth agent to work on this. Oh, it has the retail webhook part. No, let's not make it work. Let's get a sixth agent. Let's give it 5.2 extra high or high. Let's give it high. URL says the page name is opportunities. Sidebar says its name is deals page. Please have a look into it and change whatever is required. Make it the opportunities page or deals page. Just a single name should be used in the naming convention. And on the other side, I want you to go through this whole page and make sure every other thing is working inside it because this is one of the very important pages of ours. So please check all the functionalities inside here is working and nothing out of it is having some gaps or maybe partially implemented. And if anything has any of the gaps or maybe they are partially implemented or not at all implemented, then make a comprehensive plan to make all of the things inside in here work. Huge command and huge command goes for 5.2. Wow, this is nice. Why this thing is in blue? Let's see what it does. It deals page where deals happen. I'm gonna keep it in here. Dashboard. Let's see what is it doing. Lovely. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I like it. Okay. Now let's go for the designing part. Okay, all of the agents are now working. Let's see. This one. I need the backend error text to see what's still failing. Please copy the line from your API terminal that comes after failed list members. Okay. Let's open companies page and let's open the terminal on this side. Companies page, Braze POS, and let's see what it says. There we go. There you go, man. Calls page. It says wired AI optimized, lead local time zone, made it shared policy across dialer tricks, con scheduling, and pre-dial gating. Plus updated the calls UI. Copy. Perfect. Go ahead and complete all the next steps so that we are good with it. Keep working in sequence. First, second, and third should be worked over in sequence so that we don't lose the track of it. And make sure to, if you have put the plan into plans.md, then make sure to remove the plan once it's already worked over. Go. This one says manual verification checklist, live activity, confirm, email sent, SMS sent, lead qualified, deal closed. Rows appear when those events exist. Call deep links, open dashboard, Click total calls, connected calls. Let me check. Let me check. It says open dashboard. Let's send it in. Perfect. The cards on the top of dashboard are not at all working. If I click on it, they are no, they are working. I'm sorry. I wanted to talk about the other cards and I just got in here. Looks good to me now. This has completed its work. Taking a lot to load. Let's see. I want you to go through the products and solutions page again and have a look at it. Like nothing is talking about the brain. Our USP is the brain. We are sending emails, we are making calls, we are doing sales funnels, we are doing insider coaching to all the other agents who are working. But yes, there is a brain that does all these things. There is a thing that learns from so many things. It learns. So it's never ever shown on these two pages that there is a brain layer which learns, which makes all this thing learns. Like we have a brain layer on the top, above the AI models, above all the agents, there is a brain layer. So there should be some visual. Don't put in some easy regular image of a brain. Instead, think of how can you visually show that to people, that how a brain works and how it will make the things happen for anybody. That can make people visualize a bit that how things are going to work. Don't change the theme, don't change colors, don't change anything because everything is perfect. Just add this. Think about this visual a bit more. Think about it in deep and then make this thing happen. Make a comprehensive plan. And howsoever both of the pages needs those, just add it. Don't make it same for both of those because both of the pages are made for different stuff. So make sure to work perfectly inside those. Let's see what it plans and how it goes, okay? This thing is asking us. Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. Call page. If you want to verify further, QA calls schedule tab with AI timing on and off, different time zones to confirm. Okay, we'll do that. Let's see. It has thought about something. Let's open the page. If the error handler has done the work and it's still not opening, that means we have to make it work in some other way. It made a file, brain core. It says brain architecture and brain core. Let's see. It says it has added it in somewhere into AI wrap page. We had removed AI wrap page, so it looks like it has added that thing somewhere else. Now this says it has the brain layer. Looks like I have to get up. I don't see any more changes on the products page, and it says why to hire a human, but why to hire the sales team, right? Why to hire a sales team? Like it should show some brain that works for it. And the image that you are using for brain, please don't use it. It's very generic. make something kind of brain or make some visual out of something kind of brain that looks good, and make sure to make something that is kind of clickbaity or something that people can understand that how the thing is going to work. Okay, and it should be in the hero component so that people can easily, whenever they land on the page, they should be able to see that. So please go on to the products page and make sure you work on this. See, there's just two different things going on in there. It makes the page look good, but at the same time, it doesn't look good. Let's see what it does. Till then, let's see what these people are doing. Oh, they have done the work. This has not yet done that. Approval and now continue. Let's run this. Wow, look at this. Now it is trying to make something, correct? Now it's trying to make something. What are we going to do, Superbase? We're just gonna run this SQL command. It will remove Adrian. Perfect. Now this is something crazy.